Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about the Chapter 6 review, and we're on page 257 of the third grade textbook. So let's get started. Number 1. For numbers 1a through 1d, select true or false for each equation. Is 3 divided by 1, 1? No, any number divided by 1 is that number, so this should be 3. 0 divided by 4 is 0. That's true. 0 divided by any number is 0. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Yes, any number divided by itself is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6. Yes, any number divided by 1 is that number. All right, number 2. Elizabeth has 12 horses on her farm. She puts an equal number of horses in each of 3 pens. How many horses are in each pen? 12 horses, 3 pens. Well, we can draw 3 circles to represent the horse pens, and we have 12 horses to share. So let's put 1 in each circle or group until we have 12. So we have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there would be 4 horses in each pen. It can't be 36 because there's only 12 horses on the farm. So how could you put 36 horses in each pen? That just doesn't make any sense. 9 horses in each pen. That would be 27 horses because 9 times 3 is 27. So no, that's not correct. Number 3. Chris plants 25 pumpkin seeds in 5 equal rows. How many seeds does Chris plant in each row? 25 total, 5 equal rows. Well, okay, so make 5 equal rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 in each row. Five rows, 5 in each row. Five rows, 5 in each row would be 25. So we'd keep adding 5 to each row. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 seeds would be in a row. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, 258. Becca spent 24 minutes walking around a track. It took her 3 minutes to walk each time around the track. How many times did Becca walk around the track? So 24 minutes total, 3 minutes per lap. So you see 24 counters, and we're going to circle groups of 3. Okay, that would be 1 time around the track. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 24 divided by 3 does equal 8. There were 8 groups of 3. So he walked around the track 8 times. And number 5. There are 7 cars in an amusement park ride. There are 42 people divided equally among the 7 cars. An equal number of people ride in each car. How many people ride in one car? All right, so 42 people equally among 7 cars. How many people ride in one car? So these are the 42 people we need to share. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. Well, so this problem is representing 42 divided by 7 equals something, which is the same as saying 7 times what is 42. Well, we can skip count sevens, right? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in each car. Let's see if that's right. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Yes, that's works. So there are 6 people in each car. All right, number 6. Select the equations that represent the array. Mark all that apply. So let's see. We have a 3 by 5. So that means there's 15 counters. So 3 times 5 equals what? That our array represents that. So A would work. 2 times something is 12. No, there's not 2 in a row and there's not 2 rows. Some number divided by 3 is 5. Yeah, that would work. 5 times something is 15. That also works. 5 times 3 is 15. 12 divided by 3. No, because there's not 12 counters or 12 tiles. 15 divided by 5. Yes, there are 15 tiles. Okay, so A, C, D, and F all represent that, are equations that represent that array. Right, number 7. Eduardo visited his cousin for 28 days over the summer. There are 7 days in each week. How long in weeks was it Eduardo's visit? 7 days, 28 days total. How long in weeks? So if we know that there's 28 days and there's 7 days in a week, we just need to count back 7 days from 28 until we get to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 weeks. All right, so 4 weeks. Write a division problem to represent the model. Okay, so 28 days divided by 7 equals 4. So 4 weeks. A workbook is 64 pages long. If each chapter is 8 pages, how many chapters are there? 64 pages long. Each chapter is 8 pages. Well, we can do, let's make an array. So we have 8 pages. Okay. So 8 pages, and we're going to keep adding to the 8 until we get to 64. So 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. So we have 8 rows of 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so there are 8 chapters. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. Number 9. There are 56 apples packed in 7 baskets, with the same number of apples in each basket. How many apples are in each basket? 56 total, 7 baskets. For numbers 9a through 9d, choose yes or no to tell whether the equation represents the problem. 56 plus 7? No. We have 56 total and we're sharing with 7 baskets. So that's a division problem. Or the opposite would be multiplication. So no. 7 times something is 56? Yes, I could do that. Because 7 baskets times the number of apples in the baskets would give me 56 total apples. The total number of apples divided by something is 8. Yeah, that would work. The missing number is 7, the 7 baskets. And 56 divided by 7 is 8. 56 minus, no, this isn't a subtraction problem. All right, number 10. Stefan has 24 photos to display on some posters. Select the way he could display the photos in equal groups on the posters. Mark all that apply. Could he have 6 photos on each of 4 posters? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 photos on each. 4 by 6. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That adds up to 24. So yeah, he could have 6 photos on 4 posters. 7 photos on 3 posters. Okay, this is a 3 by 7. 3 posters, 7 photos. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. No. 4 photos on 6 photos. Well, that's the same thing as this one, just turns differently. So yes, that would work. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 photos on each of 5. Well, let's go ahead and show it. That one will not work, though. 5 posters. He wants to put 5 pictures on each poster. And 5 times 5 is not 24. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 photos on 8 posters. So you can ask yourself, is 8 times 3 24? Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So that would work. And 7 photos on 4 posters. So 4 rows of 7. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. No. So the only ones that would be able to represent 24 is 6 on 4 posters, 4 on 6 posters, and 3 on 8 posters. Basically, we were looking for factors that gave us 24. 3 times 8, 24. 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 6, 24. All right, page 260, number 11. Debbie made this array to model the division equation. Which equation did Debbie model? Mark all that apply. So there's 4 rows, and in each row she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So she has a total of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 28 divided by 7. Yes, those are related facts. Or I mean, that fact is related to 28, 7, and 4. 14 divided by 2. No, there's not 14 total. 28, there are 28 total. There are 4 rows, and there would be 7 in each row. So it's just B and C. Number 12, Mrs. Edwards made a total of 40 fingers on some gloves she knitted. How many gloves did she knit? Well, we know there's 5 fingers on a glove, right? All right, so we just need to keep adding 5s until we get to 40. 5, 10, we have 15 already, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 40. So 8. 8 gloves would equal 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right. 13. Make true equations. Select a number to complete the equation. 7 divided by 7. Any number divided by itself is 1. 7 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 is that number. 0 divided by any number is 0. 14. The coach separated the 18 players at lacrosse practice into 3 different groups. How many players were in each group? All right, so 3 groups. 18 players have to be shared. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. All right, so there's 6 players. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And 14. So we're repeatedly subtracting. Our dividend is 32. And we're dividing by 8. And how many times did we subtract 8? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 32 divided by 8 is 4. Write related facts for the array. Explain why there are not more related facts. 2, 4, 6 rows of 2, 4, 6. So we notice that the factors are the same. So we could have 6 times 6 equals 36, or 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Since the factors are the same, there are only 2 equations. By 17, Darius bakes 18 muffins for his friends. He gives each of his friends an equal number of muffins and has none left over. Draw a picture to show how Darius divided the muffins and complete the sentence. Bakes 18 muffins for his friends. He gives each of his friends an equal number of muffins. Draw a picture to show how he divided the muffins. All right, so let's put 18 muffins. All right, so that's 18 muffins. And he gives an equal number of muffins to his friends and has none left over. Draw a picture. Okay, so this is a possible answer. There's different ways of making this one. Well, what if we gave each of his friends 2 muffins? Let's see if that would be equal. Yeah, he could have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gave muffins to 9 of his friends. Could Darius have given all of his muffins equally to 4 of his friends? Well, let's see. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. No, we don't say. That's not possible because we don't say 18 when we're counting by 4s. So, no. All right, 18. Circle the numbers to complete the related facts. What number times 8 is 72? And 72 divided by what is 8? So we have 8 in a row. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. So we have 8 in a row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. So 9 rows of 8 is 72. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. Use the numbers to write a related multiplication and division fact. Okay, so 9 times 5 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9, and 45 divided by 9 is 5. And number 20. Tyrone took 16 pennies from his bank and put them in 4 equal stacks. How many pennies did he put in each stack? All right, so the 4 circles represent the 4 equal stacks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So he has 4 pennies in each stack. 16 divided by 4 is 4. All right, so that is it for the chapter 6 review. I'm confident that you'll do well on your test. Remember to continue to practice memorizing your multiplication facts, because division is just the opposite of multiplication, the inverse operation of multiplication. So we finished chapter 6. Next time we meet, we'll start chapter 7, where we're going to be studying division facts and strategies. Okay, so until then, may the numbers always be in your favor.